Hello everyone. I again procrastinated for 3 weeks, but there is a very strong reason behind it. So, in this video, I will tell you the reason, and the reason is also a good news. So, hey everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sneha, and I share my English speaking journey here. So, if you are also learning English and going through the same phase as me, then this channel is for you. The reason is I got a job. Yeah, I got my first job, guys. And because of that, I was very busy for 3 weeks. So, I did not record any video in these 3 weeks. I did not even active in on Instagram also, and on YouTube, Facebook. Like I was vanished from the three platforms which I used to upload videos about my English speaking journey. I was vanished from there for 3 weeks. Yeah, and you can see also in this video that I now I feel a little bit uncomfortable and little bit low confident in front of the camera because for so long I did not use to record my videos, so I feel nervous right now. And this is, you can say, a strong reason because I did not have time to record any video. I did not have that much time to like edit videos because my job duration is maybe for 5 to 6 hours. But apart from that, I also prepare for myself for seated examination, you all know that. But the problem is there's a lot of things that I'm learning in these days and still learning, and I learn a lot of things for the new job because in a new platform you need to learn a lot of things. You need to time to adjust in that situation, that environment, and you also have to put yourself on that just because that you want to adjust in that situation, right? So for that reason I invested my whole time to just adjust there, and three it took 3 weeks, you can say. And my train I joined that like I joined the job is a school teaching job in CBSC board. Okay, and I'm a teacher. Okay, let's not blush, let's not do anything like odd. But as you all know that I completed my B.Ed, my teacher's training, and after that I was just preparing for like seated examination. And one day my friend called me that let's go, there is a school and we can give interview there. And I just went with her casually, and then I submitted my CV. And like, yeah, they called me after maybe 3 to 4 days. They called me for the demonstration, and I was selected. So they called me for 7 days observation. And after the 7 days of observation, yeah, I joined on 1st July of this month, like 1st of this month. And yeah, this is all about my job. So this is my life goals right now. And I was very frustrated because I was very new. So you all know that I am from a Bengali background. My whole schooling, my college life, everything is from Bengali background. And you can say B.Ed is where everyone like from different languages. Okay, so teachers also used to teach in English, but in few cases, few teachers used to teach in used to taught in other language like Hindi or Bengali. Okay, till 2025 I was very weak in English. I was very far from English. And after 2025, maybe on 2nd November, I started my English speaking journey. And after that my whole life starts changing. And now you can see that from a Bengali background I used to teach in CBSC board school, okay, in English medium school. And this is a very big achievement for me because after starting this journey I achieved a lot of things. I achieved so much confidence. I achieved, like, I can speak in front of anyone in English. Okay, before that I was very weak in English. I was very low confident people, you can say. I even like used to ignore people just because I'm not confident to talk to them. And now I I already mentioned, I don't want to mention again and again. So this is why I delayed, I procrastinated for 3 weeks. So at first, at last, you can say, I just want to say very, very sorry, because for you guys, you guys supported me a lot in this journey. And like without you, it cannot be possible, okay, in my journey ahead. So I just want you to with me, so that you can motivate me, you can stay with me. And it feels so blessed, or it feels so motivated when I see your comments, your likes, and you subscribe to my channel. Whenever I see those things, I feel motivated a lot. And I feel that, yeah, there is a lot of things that I need to share with you, so that you can also improve with me. So thanks a lot for stay with me so long. And I'm sorry once again, I'm really, really sorry. And I promise that I will keep it on my mind that you are the people who supported me a lot in my bad days. And now you can say I achieve a lot, so there's a lot of things so to share with you. And I have so things holding in my back. Yeah, that is what that is. And in next video I will share that how English changed my life. And yeah, that is for today, guys. I'm very blessed that I have a family like you. And ignore the noise, the whatever you're hearing from the background, so just ignore it. That's all for today, guys. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and comment. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, so that I can make more videos like this. And thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.